Hi everybody, my name is Ghassan. I'm in my first year MA TESOL program here at PSU. I moved to Portland 5 years ago. I came from a small city called Nasiriyah in south of Iraq. My native language is Arabic. And I can communicate with different dialects under Arabic, including, of course, my Iraqi one, Egyptian, Gulf countries dialects, and Levantine. I have my BA in English from one of the Iraqi universities called Al-Qadisiyah University. I have many hobbies like watching TV shows and movie, swimming, camping, playing tennis, and watching tennis game. I love tennis. I also like traveling, and I'm hoping that one day I will be able to visit many cities and places around the world. About my work experience, I worked as an interpreter with US Army, and that gave me the opportunity to move and live in United States. I also taught English for 2 years in one of the high school back in Iraq. It was an amazing experience, and that made me thinking to further and pursue my English learning as a teacher by joining the MA TESOL program. And now I'm also working as Arabic interpreter in a calling center with a company called Language Line Solutions, which is kind of wonderful job. It's nice to help LEP, that's we call them in our job limited English proficiency people, with their daily needs, and also it's a good practice for me for both English in different fields, actually medicine, legal, finance, and also give me the chance and the opportunity to communicate with the different Arabic dialects as well. What else? I think very much that's it about me. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm looking forward to learn more with you guys in Methods 1. Thanks.